So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step what it takes to get the results with Google pay-per-click, basically Google Ads, 3-step formula to win in 2023 promoting clickbank products or any other affiliate network out there. So stay until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you what really matters, and I'm going to show you some of the screenshots of the landing pages or pre-sale pages that you could use if you want to get results compliantly, long-term, sustainably with Google Ads formula. So let's go straight into it. The first thing is what is the most popular traffic source, right? Everyone is talking about Facebook ads, TikTok ads, but one of the best options out there are Google pay-per-click. Why Google? If you have watched previously any of my other videos, you would understand that Google, it's all about buyer's intent, right? We are searching the buyers. We are not looking for prospects. Big difference, right? Is big distinction before. Imagine this: we have buyers over here, we have prospects, right? I call them Windows shoppers. Imagine people walking on the street, right? They're just looking, their eyeballs are looking on the storefront, right? At the bags, at the laptops. They're just watching, but they're not entering the store and buying. Same things online with affiliate marketing, right? You're looking for buyers, not the people who are just looking with their eyes, clicking on your ad, and then mismatch, they're gone, right? And that can be your fault. And sometimes it is the gurus or course owners' fault because they're not telling you exactly how to pre-sell to people so that you are weed out all the non-buyers and get in the only buyers. So that's why Google pay-per-click. Now how? What are the top 3 verticals? So the top 3 verticals in affiliate marketing are this. Right now in 2023, going further are first dental. Dental space is big. On clickbank as well, as you know, dental space, the dental niche, it's huge, right? Teeth whitening, tooth decay, it's huge niche. And if you know how to enter it, how to position yourself with the right audience, you can win big and make huge money with affiliate marketing in only dental space. The second space is hair loss. Huge niche on clickbank, not only on clickbank but also other networks out there, and you can position that offer really well. And the third one is weight loss, diet pills, right? Most of people are very lazy, right? They don't want to go to gym and work out, so what they choose to swallow the magic pill, right? The magic bullet. So basically swallow the pill, lose all the weight, and burn your belly fat without any work while eating pizza every single day. So that's basically the lizard mind, the lizard brain or psychology behind those products, right? Because they understand that people are mostly lazy. They don't want to go to the gym every single day. They don't want to work out. So they rather swallow the pill and lose weight while keeping the habits the same, right? So that's the point in marketing these offers. Another thing over here is, let me show you this. This is the landing page for the dental space. Now, dental niche, what we are doing, it's with Google Ads, is basically using text, no image, right? If you're running native ads, yeah, you can put on Google Display Network image with a little bit of text. I can teach you that next time. But this time, I'm going to show exactly how it works in 3 steps. The first step is ad. It has to be short, right? To the point, targeting buyers, and with the right text, first of all. Second of all, landing page. Landing page is all about pre-selling. As you can see here on my screen, right? This is one of the images, but there are lots more points, screenshots, images, text on this landing page. I don't want you to copy and paste because you will never succeed with copy and paste templates, right? You're going to only succeed once you have someone to mentor you and show you along the way how it works step by step, right? So, for example, this is the landing page, the images, everything. Why is the blue color? Why is white color? I'm going to explain to you once we work together. It's very important. Psychology behind this, it's very strictly important if you want to pre-sell all the 5 points, right? I'm always talking about 5 points. One of them is pain. So, as you can see here, if you have gum disease or tooth decay, do this immediately. Watch, right? Okay, curiosity-based lead, right? We are leading with curiosity, right? Curious. People are curious. What is this? But curiosity enough, it will not drive money. It will not make you money. People can be curious just to click right? Because they have an itch that they need to scratch. They have an itch. They're curious. They want to know what is it. So they will click on your freaking ad. And if you do everything wrong, if you just follow the wrong person, the wrong methodology, you will lose time and money. You will spend money and waste money on Google Ads because you don't understand what you have to pre-sell on your pre-sale page or landing page in this case, right? It's the same thing. And at the end, we send them from there to the offer on ClickBank, for example. And that's how you make money. That's it. Keep it simple. Keep it stupid simple. But you have to understand how to pre-sell and what to pre-sell on your landing page, right? There is no other method. They just add landing page offer. Okay. But you need to understand, you need to connect this structure fundamental correctly. So you need to have someone to show you how it works, right? Or you can watch a ton of free videos on YouTube and lose money because you need to have someone to show you correctly how it's done. Now another thing over here you can see is how to launch your first campaign on Google Ads, right? You will choose Google search campaign, right? You will unmatch the one that are not working. So basically no video because you're not running YouTube ads in this case, only search. Then you can also show on the search where exactly you want your ad to be placed. It can be, for example, on mobile device, right? Or it could be on laptop, PC. So where your ad is going to show up. Very important thing, your landing page need to be mobile optimized. Why? Because most of people are using iPhones, mobile phones, and they will open your website on their phones while they're outside, right? While they're doing something else. And if your page is loading too slow, they will click out and you will lose money again because of that stupid simple mistake that you did without knowing. So very important thing. Another thing is create a campaign between $25 to $100 per day. Now you can start lower, $5. That's up to you. How fast you want to scale. Doesn't matter. You can start slow or you can start fast. Depend on your budget. But important thing is if you follow this method, you can scale over time, right? Do not worry about getting $1,000 days in the first week. No. Focus first on the slow milestones. First time, $50 per day profit. Next day, $100 per day. Great, in profit. Second week, $300 per day. And my friend, if you're watching this video, if you do the math, how much is $300 per day? It's $9,000 per month. So you see, it's all about having right mindset and start with the end of mind, what you want to achieve, right? So we start with search ads, we put the campaign, we put our keywords, right? I set up 3 to 4 different campaigns with Google Ads, and then we structure them, depend on the ad budget you have. And then we also add the next step if you want to, which is basically email marketing, emails, right? So why I'm talking about email a lot, because email is the king, right? Lots of people are going to watch your ad, but they will not buy on day one, right? So you miss them. But what you can do if you're smart is you can retarget them, right? You can re-show them the ad. So once they click, they maybe don't buy, they do something else. In few hours or a few days later, they will see the same ad again, right? Are you still interested or something like that, right? So you get the point, right? You retarget follow-up online and then put them into your email sequence. And that's how you make big money on the back end. So it's all about long-term income, right? It's not about get rich quick, but fast results over time and scaling up your affiliate marketing or ClickBank campaigns, right? So that's how it works. So now what to do next? Now you're on your crossroads. Now you're on the road, in the middle of the road. You have stop signs, you have green light, what to do? So if you want to have someone to guide you through step by step, what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, below this video are going to be links where you can connect with me one-on-one personally. But let me tell you this, I do not want any time wasters. So I respect my time and I respect yours either. So if you have some money to invest, minimum $500 to $3,000 US to start some serious online business, right? Then let me know. After watching this video, click the link below this video and we can find out what is the right fit for you and how to make this happen consistently over time. So again, subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and see you next time.